Indulgent habits shave 6 years off your lifespan. How a night in with a glass of wine, Netflix and cigarettes could lead to early death. Sitting on the sofa watching a box set, with a glass of wine and cigarettes could take up to 6 years off your life, according to a new study. We know smoking, poor diet, physical inactivity, and high alcohol consumption are not healthy. But now a Canadian study has broken down the exact risks associated with indulgent lifestyles, and how much each activity can cut your lifespan. The research team calculated that unhealthy habits shave an estimated 6 years off your life, with physical inactivity being the worst. The statistics have been hailed as a concrete warning to people around the world to exercise moderation and be active. They will be used by Canada's Public Health Department, and the researchers are urging other nations to carry out similar studies to inform health planning. Professor Doug Manuel, of the University of Ottawa, and his team created an algorithm to analyze data from the Institute for Clinical Evaluative Sciences, ICES, and the Statistics Canada 2009 to 2010 Canadian Community Health Survey. For men, smoking was the top risk factor, representing a loss of 3.1 years. For women it was lack of physical activity, representing a loss of 3 years. The researchers also found that people who followed recommended healthy behaviors had a life expectancy 17.9 years greater than people with the unhealthiest habits. Dr. Heather Manson, Chief of Health Promotion, Chronic Disease and Injury Prevention at Public Health Ontario, said, "We hope this algorithm can help improve public health planning in the 100 countries around the world which already use population health surveys. Unlike many other tools being used today, our method can measure life expectancy for specific socio-demographic groups or for small changes in risk exposure." Professor Manuel added, "Our approach is a new way of measuring the impact of health problems on life expectancy. In an era of big data, we should be moving beyond the old methods that have remained largely unchanged for the past 60 years. An earlier Ontario-only study led by Professor Manuel found unhealthy behavior cost Ontarians 7.5 years of life. Dr. Manuel and his team have also created an online calculator called Project Big Life to help Canadians estimate their own life expectancy based on habits and lifestyle choices.